Mosquitoes can make it difficult to enjoy your time outside. Check out a few tips to help you avoid these pests this summer. 1. Minimize standing water. Mosquitoes breed in standing water, so you'll want to minimize moisture in your yard. Make sure your gutters are working properly. Remove items that can collect water and replace water in bird baths, kiddie pools, and pet bowls regularly. Ensure your hose and outdoor spigots aren't leaking. 2. Take care of your yard. Mosquitoes like shaded and humid areas, so it's important to reduce these harboring spots. Mow your lawn regularly and keep your vegetation trimmed. Remove yard debris that can act as shelter. Don't forget to maintain the space underneath your deck. 3. Protect against mosquito bites. Covering as much skin as possible will help to prevent mosquito bites. Light-colored clothing is less attractive than dark-colored clothing. Avoid wearing perfumes or colognes with strong fragrances. Before heading outdoors, use a bug repellent like our Natural Insect Repellent. It repels mosquitoes, ticks, and flies. 4. Take care of your pool. Keep your pool water clean and make sure your pool pump and filter are working correctly to prevent the water from becoming stagnant. Monitor your pool cover to ensure water isn't gathering on it. 5. Protect your outdoor seating areas. Adding fans to your patio or deck can make it harder for mosquitoes to fly near you. You can also use our Skeeter Shield mosquito repellent canister to protect your seating area from these pesky bugs. Our mosquito fogger can also help. It kills mosquitoes and provides up to 7 days of repellent zone residual protection. 6. Keep mosquitoes out of your home. To avoid mosquitoes indoors, you'll want to make sure they can't find an entry point. Check your screens for tears and don't leave doors and windows open if they don't have screens. Check for and seal any cracks or gaps where mosquitoes could slip inside. 7. Create a protective barrier. Spraying your yard with a plant-based insecticide spray can help to keep mosquitoes away. Our mosquito and tick killer kills mosquitoes and ticks and provides residual repellency protection. For more helpful tips and pest information, be sure to follow us and visit our website at maggiesfarmproducts.com.